Well, good morning. I'm Jeremy Dyson. Welcome to Trophy Rides, where we hear the stories behind the ride. Today I'm in Marshville, Missouri at the Cherry Blossom Festival, and one of the first things I noticed was this orange Chevrolet pickup. Now there are several things that are unique about this truck that'll make you go, Follow me and let's go see what you think. All right, what year is this?
It's a 66 Chevy.
66 Chevy.
Yeah.
How long have you had it?
I've had it about 4 or 5 years. It was about 80% done when I got it. A boy from Ava, Missouri built it. He's built several of these, and he put a 72 Chevy rear end and front end in it, so it's got 5 holes instead of 6 like normally. And the motor it's a 350 out of the 72, and he rebuilt it and put lifter cam, lifters, and all the good stuff in there. It's a mild street cam. It's not a real thumper cam, you know. But
I love this interior.
yeah, he had this. The seat was done when I got it, and he painted the whole inside of the cab this color. So
Wow, I love that. I love the simplicity.
yeah, it's simple.
I like the bed.
The boy that built that, his dad owned a woodworking shop, and he picked out the lumber for it and made the grooves in it and everything. It's got stainless steel strips in there.
Now, has that been lowered any? Or
It has.
It has? Okay.
Yeah. I don't know for sure what he did to the front end. It was already like that when I got it. And he put Jeep springs in the back and cut them in half. And so that's what lowered it in the back. He added the license plate bracket in the bumper, and then it's on the bottom of it. It's like a fairing. He welded that on there.
That is clean.
The only thing, the heater motor is bad. I never had it replaced. I was planning on putting a air conditioner heater unit in there. You can buy them just to bolt in. I haven't done that yet. This is custom here too. He made that. This is fiberglass instead of the regular body. He made that for the antenna to stick in.
I love the little mirrors.
Yeah, they're off of a Sea-Doo.
Sea-Doo?
Watercraft. Yeah, and did you notice how you let the tailgate down?
No, I didn't.
It's a seatbelt deal.
Oh, you kidding?
Right in here, seatbelts.
Oh, that's funny.
The old originals had the
chains?
Chains, yeah. And he filled in all the stake holes and smoothed that out.
If you have a classic car or unique ride you'd like to see featured here, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and tell your friends.